Dragonflies are fascinating creatures with a complex biology and intriguing behavior. Found all over the world, these insects have captured the human imagination for centuries, inspiring art, literature, and even technology. In this video, we'll be delving deep into the world of dragonflies, exploring their unique anatomy, life cycle, behavior, and habitats. Join us on this journey of discovery where we uncover the mysteries of these aerial acrobats. Dragonflies are insects that belong to the order Odonata, which also includes damselflies. They are known for their slender bodies, large compound eyes, and 4 transparent wings. Dragonflies have been around for millions of years and are one of the oldest insect groups to have colonized the planet. With over 5,000 known species of dragonflies and damselflies worldwide, they are one of the most diverse insect groups on Earth. They are also unique in their ability to hover in place, fly backwards, and change direction quickly mid-air. The remarkable maneuverability of dragonflies is due to their 2 pairs of wings, which can work together or move independently. In addition to their flying abilities, dragonflies are also valuable indicators of the health of aquatic ecosystems, making them an important insect group to study and protect. As predators of other insects, dragonflies play an important role in regulating the populations of mosquitoes, flies, and other pests. The larvae of dragonflies are aquatic and can be found in a variety of freshwater habitats such as lakes, streams, and ponds. In these habitats, they are often referred to as naiads and feed on other aquatic insects, small fish, and tadpoles. Dragonfly adults also provide a food source for other animals such as birds and frogs. Additionally, dragonflies are important bioindicators of the health of aquatic ecosystems, meaning that their presence or absence can tell us a lot about the condition of the water and surrounding habitat. Threats to dragonflies, such as pollution and habitat destruction, can have cascading effects on the rest of the ecosystem. Dragonflies have been important symbols in many cultures throughout history. In Japan, dragonflies are often seen as a symbol of strength, agility, and victory over hardship. The samurai would display emblems and motifs of dragonflies on their armor and weaponry. In Native American culture, dragonflies were believed to be messengers of the spirit world, representing transformation and change. Some indigenous tribes also used dragonfly wings in their traditional medicines. Dragonflies have also been featured in the art and literature of many ancient civilizations, including ancient Egypt, Greece, and Rome. In contemporary times, dragonflies continue to inspire artists and designers, appearing in everything from jewelry to home decor. The dragonfly life cycle begins when a mature female dragonfly lays her eggs on or near the surface of freshwater. The eggs are usually laid in clusters and can number from a few dozen to several hundred depending on the species. Once laid, the eggs either attach to vegetation or rocks or sink to the bottom of the water. The larvae need water to survive and hatch within a few weeks. Some species of dragonflies require only a few days to hatch out of their eggs. The temperature of the water plays a significant role in the hatching of the eggs of dragonflies. The warmer the water temperature, the faster the eggs would hatch. Once the eggs hatch, the larvae, also known as naiads, begin their journey through the larval stage. After hatching, dragonfly larvae enter the larval stage, which can last anywhere from several months to several years depending on the species. During this stage, the larvae are aquatic and have long, slender bodies with 6 legs and no wings. Larvae move by wriggling or squirting water out of their body, which propels them forward. They are fierce predators and feed on other aquatic insects, small fish, and even fellow dragonfly larvae. As they grow, the larvae molt, shedding their exoskeletons, and eventually reach their maximum size. Once they're ready to undergo metamorphosis, they'll enter into the pupal stage. Larvae differ significantly from the adult dragonflies with their lifestyle, habitat, and feeding habits. Once the larvae reach maturity, they climb out of the water and attach themselves to a plant stem or other solid object in preparation for metamorphosis. During the pupal stage, the dragonfly undergoes significant changes as it transforms from its aquatic larval form to its aerial adult form. The pupa is encased in an exoskeleton, which hardens and provides protection as the adult body develops inside. The pupal phase can last several weeks, and the dragonfly remains inactive for much of this time. Once its body is fully developed, the adult dragonfly will emerge from the exoskeleton and begin its life as a winged insect. This process is known as eclosion, and it requires the dragonfly to carefully break open the exoskeleton and crawl out before expanding and drying its wings. Once its wings are dry, the dragonfly takes its first flight, beginning a new chapter in its life cycle. The head and eyes of a dragonfly are among its most prominent features and are crucial to the insect's survival. Dragonflies have two large compound eyes, each containing thousands of tiny lenses that allow them to see in almost every direction. These eyes are incredibly sensitive to motion and color, which is important when hunting prey or avoiding predators. The head of a dragonfly also has a powerful mandible that allows them to capture and crush their prey. Additionally, dragonflies have a specialized mouthpart known as a labium, which acts like a trapdoor that can extend rapidly to grasp prey from a distance. This, along with their excellent vision, make dragonflies expert hunters in the air. The wings of a dragonfly are thin and delicate, but they are also incredibly strong, allowing the insect to fly at astonishing speeds. Dragonflies have two pairs of wings that move independently, allowing them to maneuver quickly and make sudden turns in flight. The wings also have complex venation patterns that make them highly efficient in flight, allowing the insect to fly forwards, backwards, and hover in place. Dragonflies are capable of reaching speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour, making them one of the fastest insects in the world. Their incredible flight abilities are due to their powerful muscles, which make up around 15% of their body weight. These muscles allow them to fly for extended periods and maintain their high speeds without tiring quickly. Dragonflies are often recognized by their distinct patterns and colors, which play a crucial role in their survival. Many dragonflies have bright and contrasting colors that help them stand out against their surroundings, making them easy to spot by predators. However, some species use camouflage to protect themselves, blending seamlessly into their surroundings to become virtually invisible. Many dragonflies have evolved unique combinations of colors and patterns on their wings and bodies that serve to confuse predators or attract potential mates. Additionally, the coloration of dragonflies can vary depending on their age, sex, and geographical location. For example, male dragonflies are often more brightly colored than females to attract a mate, while dragonflies in warmer environments may have more vibrant colors than those in cooler climates. Dragonflies use a combination of sight and sound to communicate with each other. Their large compound eyes are incredibly sensitive to movement, allowing them to spot potential prey and predators quickly. They also use their eyes to identify potential mates and signal their interest through a series of complex behaviors, including dancing and wing flicking. Dragonflies also use sounds to communicate, although this is less well understood. Some species of dragonflies produce sounds by vibrating their wings or other body parts, which can serve to attract potential mates or warn off rivals. Additionally, some dragonflies can detect vibrations in the water or air and use these cues to locate prey or other dragonflies. Dragonflies are skilled predators and rely on their speed and agility to catch their prey. They feed on a variety of insects, including mosquitoes, flies, and smaller dragonflies. Dragonflies have strong, sharp mandibles that allow them to crush and devour their prey quickly. They also use their long legs to grab onto prey in midair and pluck it out of the sky. Some dragonflies have been known to eat prey that is twice their size. They are also known to be effective pest control agents, as they can consume large quantities of insects that are harmful to crops and humans. Dragonflies have a unique hunting behavior where they are either perched or flying, and they rely on their excellent vision to locate prey. They can see in the near-infrared and ultraviolet ranges, which enables them to see patterns and colors that are invisible to the human eye. Dragonflies have unique and complex courtship rituals that involve a combination of sight and sound. Male dragonflies often engage in aerial displays to attract a mate, flying in intricate patterns and performing acrobatic feats to demonstrate their fitness and strength. Female dragonflies are usually more selective than males and may reject potential mates that don't meet their standards. Once a male and female have paired up, they engage in a ritual known as the wheel position, where the male grasps the female by the thorax with his legs and the female twists her abdomen to reach the male's reproductive organs. The pair then flies in tandem, with the male guiding the female to the right location to deposit her eggs. The male may continue to guard the female to prevent rival males from interfering until she successfully deposits her eggs. Dragonflies can be found in a variety of habitats, from freshwater streams and rivers to ponds, lakes, and swamps. They are also commonly found in the vicinity of wetlands, as these areas provide ample food and suitable breeding sites. Some species are even known to inhabit saltwater environments, such as estuaries and coastal wetlands. Dragonflies are an indicator species, which means that they are a reflection of the health of their surrounding environment. They require clean water and healthy ecosystems to thrive and reproduce. Habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change are some of the major threats to dragonfly populations, as these factors can lead to the destruction or alteration of their natural habitats. Dragonflies are important members of their ecosystems and play a variety of important roles. They are top-level predators and help control populations of various insects that can be harmful to humans and other animals, such as mosquitoes and flies. Additionally, dragonflies are food sources for many other animals, including birds, fish, and frogs. They also serve as indicators of the health of freshwater ecosystems, as they require clean and unpolluted water to thrive. Because of their importance in controlling insect populations and their susceptibility to environmental change, protecting dragonflies is an essential part of maintaining healthy ecosystems. Despite their importance in ecosystems, dragonflies face a number of threats that put their populations at risk. Habitat loss and degradation due to factors such as pollution, deforestation, and urbanization can have a negative impact on dragonfly populations. Additionally, climate change is causing shifts in precipitation patterns and temperature, which can affect the availability of suitable breeding sites and food sources. It's important to protect dragonflies and their habitats by preserving wetlands and other freshwater ecosystems, reducing pollution and habitat destruction, and educating the public about the importance of dragonflies in their local ecosystems. Citizen science programs and conservation efforts such as creating artificial breeding habitats can also help protect and monitor dragonfly populations. Dragonflies are not only beautiful but also play an important role in our ecosystem. As predators, they help control insect populations and are themselves a food source for other animals. With climate change and habitat destruction posing a threat to their survival, it's more important than ever to protect these fascinating creatures. By learning about their biology and behavior, we gain a greater appreciation for the role dragonflies play in our world. Join us on our next adventure as we continue to explore the wonders of nature.